So we will have
The real one.
the real product in about maybe
Next month?
less than a month.
Oh wow, that's fast.
We've been working with a lot of people so far.
Nice.
So right now it's still kind of manually done it, but there's a brace is currently redesigned for this,
Okay.
so that they can put on easily.
Easy, yeah, without having to do it themselves.
No, they won't. They won't have to. They just slide in and then.
Yeah, we
Yep.
will like tie in.
Mhm. Much easier.
Yes.
This one right now is still
Prototype.
for-
Yeah. It's test.
Okay, so pretty much this one here is like that. And snap on. Yep, like that.
Okay.
So hold on. Put this one on. So this one's just for some kind of cosmetics.
Yeah, so that way they're not vibrating directly.
It, this one to
protect
make
them.
it look a little bit better.
Yeah, that way so you don't see all the wires inside.
Technically, we don't have any wires. This
Oh,
is
no.
not based on electricity.
Oh, okay. But like to see.
It's based on only vibration technology.
Yeah, vibration. All the straps are,
These
underneath.
are actually just to make your arm comfortable.
Oh, comfortable. Like,
What's
okay.
working is actually this one here.
Oh, okay, that one. Yeah.
So if I have this one here, if I were to have tremor,
Tremor. Yeah.
it does nothing to it. It's just a strap.
Strap.
That's
Yeah.
it. It doesn't even prevent my arm from flexing.
Okay.
You see
Makes
it?
sense.
So
yes.
it's just a strap, just like it's not even like carpal tunnel. It's just like
Sport brace.
sports brace or sleeve,
Yeah.
so that you feel
Comfortable.
say something squeezing your arm, so you feel comfortable. You feel kind of concentrated. a little.
Yeah. No
But
pain.
now, if someone having, let's say, the arm shaking like this or
Mhm.
like this because of their tremor problem, right?
Yes.
They do, and especially when they try to, let's say, for example, trying to reach for the mouse, and they try to move something really precise,
They can't. Yeah.
they'll do this.
Yes.
So same thing for eating. And they're gonna shake like this, and then you probably saw the videos from our website,
Yes.
and also drinking.
Mhm.
So at that point, this one here, they can actually put on. Very simple. Snap on. And then lock. Okay. It won't fall off. It's very secure. Okay. Because because of the mass, this mat in here, actually moving back and forth.
Okay.
When my arm shakes,
Yes.
the mass will actually move oppositely to my arm directions. So it's counteracting to the tremor.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
and that's the principle that we already use in vibration control for machines.
Yes.
So if you search for tune mass damper in high-rise building, in aircraft wings, in probably bridge like cable suspension bridge,
Yes.
they will use that kind of technology to dampen out the vibration from earthquake, from wind loads and all that.
Yes.
So, but none had been used on human
Oh wow.
body.
First
And
time.
I'm seeing that, okay, my aircraft wing it's some long extended body, right?
Yes.
And my arm same way.
Yes.
Human arm is same way. So now human arm shaking, then this one actually moving back and forth to counteract to it. Then it could actually potentially reduce the amount of tremor.
Yes.
So with that hypothesis, like 4 or 5 years ago, I started out in a research project with my student. You probably see over there the mechanical arm.
Yes.
So we shake it sideways, up and down, and then we put these things on top of it. It's much bigger than this one though.
Yes.
So it's actually reduced. It's real amount of shaking.
Oh,
So
wow.
okay, we work more and more, and it's getting better and better. So at some point okay, that means it can work on human arms,
Yes.
and we test with human arms.
Nice.
And but the problem is it's a little bit bulky and big and doesn't look good. So now if we want to offer it to regular people in the market, then we have to make sure it looks better. Okay, it looks nicer and more compact and so on and so forth. So that's when the research project turned into a consumer product project. Because if it doesn't turn into a consumer product project, the idea just sit here and die here in the lab, doing nothing. I mean, technically, if you look at it, I spent already 3 years on it, and it just stay here for me to see it without helping people that's a waste of money and time that I already invested in.
Yes.
So because of that, I want to pursue this so that I can offer this technology so people can enjoy a steady hand.
Yes.
So they can drink, I can eat. As you can see from the videos on my website, they actually can do that without much of a handshake anymore. So with that, I'm really glad that I decided to actually pursue. But even though it takes a lot of time and effort and also my own money, I have to spend a lot of money at the beginning because beginning no one would actually give you money to do anything.
Yes.
You have to do what you do, spend the money to actually build, prototype, test, and then carry on until, oh, it actually worked. It looks good enough so people probably will wear on their arms. Now it actually gives you money so that you can turn the one a rough design into a very refined and oh, right now this one's almost ready, and we will have it ready very soon in about a month. And it's very simple. The good thing about the device is that they don't have to wear all the time. So, and for example, essential tremor patient, they don't have tremor all the time. They have tremor whenever they reach out for something to do. When they're drinking, when they're eating, when they, let's say, using chopstick, or actually they're holding some hand tools. At that time, it will shake. So regularly they don't shake, so they don't have to wear this. Okay, so when they're about to eat, I mean, actually, this one can be folded pretty conveniently. Put on the counter. If I have a big pocket, I can put a pocket as well. So it's very easy to use. When they're ready to use it, just pop it out, put it on, and then it's stabilizing the hand. Get done with eating breakfast, 5 minutes. Take it off again, put it in the purse or the pocket, go to work. That's very simple, easy to use. No electricity needed, not at all. No charging needed. It's mechanical principles. It's been proven already in the industry for a long time. Work well, and now we just use it on human arms and human hands. That's it, and it's waterproof. They can even shower with it without any problem. They just have to hang it dry so that they can reuse it right after. So everything is almost ready now. We just have to make sure everything looks nice, and then that's it. We'll be going to market pretty soon. Hopefully people will enjoy it and help them in their daily life. That's my goal. I want to see people can regain the ability to do things in their life. I mean, shaking hands, you can see that with a handshake, eating is a difficult task.
Yes.
To get done. So that's my inspiration, that's my motivation, and that's why I started the project. And it happens that people kind of believe in it, have a lot of support. Even the president of the university, like Fresno State, he supported me. My colleague from department supported from college. And people from business world, they invested in the business. They also gave me a lot of advice. They introduced me to investors, to other business development people. So it's been pretty good so far. So I believe this one will help a lot of people.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Thank you.